right, we got this this helium 200 gram. We're gonna do this real quick, a little small 200 gram, and then we're gonna do a little bit of the Nishiki blast, and we'll see what else. I have a mini cake in there, but we'll see what we get to. All right, here goes the Nishiki blast. Here goes another one. Come on. All right, here goes the helium. There's that helium cake. You can see the tubes on that. We got 2 Nishiki blasts going up. Wanted to see some of these silver tail bottle rockets. Right. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Here's a single one. Like I said, I'll come back with the torch lighter, because these are very time consuming with just the bic. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Let's try one of these Terrible Nights, very small cake. Terrible Night Dominator. Oh, those mines go. Those are bright. Very cool. Oh, what do we got? Oh snap, we got some challengers. Oh yeah. Sick. Alright, let's do this Nishiki blast. Alright, maybe I'll see what one of these nighttime parachute does, since it's nighttime. Right, nighttime parachute. Alright, where is it? I don't know where it went. Is that it? I think this is it. Feels like it. No parachute. All right, I am on the way back. That was a little short video for you guys. I'll have to come back with some more fireworks. So thanks for watching, guys.